What is up guys? Welcome back to another vlog. And for today, mag-install tayo ng wireless charger from Quadlock. So, nakuha ko to sa kaibigan ko si Jab. Binenta niya sa kanya. And then, binilang ko na lang ng USB smart adapter from Quadlock as well. And then, kinailangan ko rin bilhin tong iPhone 14 Pro na case dahil ang gamit ko kasi ngayon yung so ito kasi gamit ko guys, case lang, normal iPhone 14 case na may universal adapter sa likod. Tinasting ko to dun sa wireless charger, masyado siyang makapal itong adapter na to, kaya naman napabili ako nito. Ito kasi guys, kailangan ko talaga to since walang stock na USB accessory or USB output itong ZX6R. I checked the reviews. Okay naman siya. It's waterproof. It has 3 different modes, auto, on, and off. Later on, pakita ko sa inyo yun. And then, ito lang talaga. Napakamahal na ito. Nang hinayang ako sa pera. But, I guess it's quality naman din. Buksan natin. Alright guys, so ito na yung case from Quadlock. So, initial reaction, it's really nice. Premium naman yung quality niya. And may logo dito sa gilid. And very seamless yung mounting ng Quadlock. Unlike our old case, maumbok and makapal. So, worth ba siya ng price niya? Well, I still think it's pretty expensive for a case. Pero if you think of it naman, gagamitin mo naman siya na matagal. Alright, so dyan na muna yan guys. Simulan natin ikabit itong wireless charger. So unang gagawin ko is tatanggalin ko itong bolt from this head mount. And then yan, lalagay lang natin itong wireless charger. So just make sure itong ilaw niya is nandito sa baba. There you go. We are all done with the wireless charger mount. Lagyan natin lagay yung case. Next is buksan natin itong USB adapter natin and let's see what's inside. Alright guys, so ito yung laman ng box. You have your warranty paper, manual, and then instructions, then zip ties, the adapter itself, and then itong terminal wire ata tawag dito. I guess ito yung i-connect sa battery. So unang gagawin natin is ilalagay natin itong adapter. So I'll be putting the USB output over here, and then isingit ko lang yung wire dito sa ilalim ng gas tank. And then, itong connector naman natin sa terminal. And the switch will be placed here sa may battery natin. So, ayan, ganyan. So, ayan, ipapasok ko lang to guys. Ipasok na natin siya. Saan na siya? So next step is I'll be connecting this to the battery. So this red one is for positive and itong black is for negative. So just a quick tip na nabasa ko, if magdi-disconnect yun ng battery, always do negative first and then positive. Okay, so now it's connected to the battery. All we need to do is ipag-connect itong terminal and the adapter. So, ayan, itong dalawa. Okay, so connected na sila. I guess, or I assume, gumagana na to. All I need to do now is get my USB-C charger or USB wire. Plug it in dito. Plug it dito and then to the wireless charger. So, ito yung wire ko. It's white. So, probably, I'll be getting a black one. pa natin dito. Ayun guys, umilaw na siya. So ito pala guys yung sinasabi kong modes. So we have auto, off, and on. Right, so right now it's on, kaya kahit nakapatay yung bike, kumukuha pa rin siya ng power dito sa battery. So you can leave this on, and dito mo na lang gagalawin sa pinaka wireless charger nyo. May button yan dito sa ilalim. Okay guys, so let me show you with the actual phone on the charger. So just put your phone and it will start charging. Then if you want to turn off the charger, the wireless charger, all you need to do is push the button below. Not sure if kita nyo, pero yan siya. Yan, button yan guys. So pindutin nyo lang yan. Kita nyo, namatay, wala yung charge. And then ito naman, yung off, basically nakapatay lang siya. And then let's try itong auto mode. Once I turn on the bike, mag-on din yung wireless charger natin. Nag-charge siya, and then maya mamamatay na rin yan. So kita nyo kanina nung binuksan yung bike, nag-charge to, and after turning it off, it will still continue charging, but after a few minutes mamamatay na rin siya. Ayan, wala na siya ngayon. Alright, so I think we are done. And nice pin cables. So again, this is the negative, positive, and then meron siyang fuse dito. Nandiyan yung sa gilid, Lego sa gilid. So yung USB naman niya is, yun nga, Lego dito sa tangke. So from here up to here, and then tinago ko lang siya dito sa gilid. Then here we have our Type-C cable, which is plugged in dito sa wireless charger natin. So definitely papalitan ko to ng black para seamless siya. But there you go guys, ito na yung wireless setup natin, or wireless charger setup natin for our 6R. So before I end this video guys, let me show you how it looks from afar. So ito yung itsura niya pag nandyan yung phone nyo. Ayan. Then you can also do this, and you can also turn it to the side in landscape mode. Ito naman siya without phone. So if wala ka pang wireless charger, this is your sign to get one, kasi it's really helpful, lalo na if nagre-rides kayo ng malayo. It's always nice to have your phone charge para makapag-picture, ganun. And ayun, you never really know if kailan kayo malolobat, diba? Or sometimes you're not aware na lobat na pala kayo. So it's nice to have one. I also recommend guys yung wireless charger ng Chigi. So lagi ko dito yung itsura nung charger ng Chigi. So I had that sa MT-09 ko dati. Yun naman, you can charge basically any phone dahil it won't require you to have a phone case tulad nitong Podlock. So that's more convenient and mas tipid siya. Though I think the charger will cost you around 9,000 pesos. But it's really good, it's fast, and very sturdy rin yun, ano niya, yung pinaka-charger niya. So right now, I'll be installing the fuel or the keyless fuel gas cap. keyless gas cap for the 6R. But I'll be posting that in a separate video, so abangan nyo na lang. So nagkabit rin pala tayo ng slip-on exhaust dito. If hindi nyo pa nakapanood yun, make sure to check it out. I'll put it somewhere here sa screen. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions regarding our installation, comment nyo lang dyan sa baba. And if you do like this video, make sure to hit that like button. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.